welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another interesting video with your girl. Welcome back to Anabi's Kitchen and Bake. If this is your first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below to like, share, and to comment. And when I upload a new video, you need to hit the notification button. So it's another day in life in Lagos, my first time in Lagos, and I promise you guys I'm going to carry you guys along on this vlog. So this is day 2. It's actually my 3rd day here, but this is day 2 of this vlog. So we just got back to the house. I've cooked already. I did plantain. My friend has gone to work, and I had to rush. I couldn't film about that because I needed him to eat before going to work. And I'm about to make melon soup, EGUSI soup. So I decided to open this vlog to carry you guys along and then see what's going on with your girl on this place. Oh my god. Anyway, I've not actually gone out to really say it's stressful, but the few times I've gone out, Lagos is stressful. You cannot tell me otherwise. But that is free. Well. So that reminds me, I was thinking of filming amala. I've not had amala in my life before, and I've been craving for it even while I was in Port Harcourt, but I don't know anywhere they sell amala in Port Harcourt. So now that I'm in Lagos, the popular place for amala, guys, I need to film it. Like, I really need to film it. I've been talking with a few Lagos YouTubers. They've given me some recommendations, places to go, but I feel those places are really far from me because I'm not too familiar with Lagos. So I need somewhere within. Okay, so however, if I'm able to get a place within, I'm surely going to carry you guys along on that. I'm going to try out what eating amala looks like. Are you guys okay? Yes. So okay, and then again, after cooking, we'll be going to visit a family friend. You know, she ordered for chin chin and cake. I told you guys I did some things for some clients here. So this person happens to be a family friend. We've known each other way back in school. That was 2012, 2013 thereabout. And after school, I don't think we've not seen each other. I was supposed to go for her marriage, but the call for the marriage was late, so I couldn't meet up. So now that I'm in Lagos, I told her I'm in town. She said we should see. So we're gonna be linking up much later today. I'll be going with my friend there, and I'm going to film that, you know. I'm going to carry you guys a lot. I just hope to meet a lot of my friends here in Lagos. Secondly, we're trying to see how we can create something for you guys, myself and few Lagos YouTubers, on Thursday or Friday, hopefully. So you guys will watch, and you know, I'm going to carry you guys along with this. Without much time, please let's just dive into the cooking process. And if you're not subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button, do well to like, share, and to comment, and to get notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget to turn on your notification button. It's very important. My skin is actually coming up though. I'm actually loving the process. It's not easy. I've spent a lot of money trying to fix. I had sunburn, I had hyperpigmentation. I think it's much better off. However, we're working into perfect. So let's go into cooking process. I've already prepped everything, so the cooking will not have to waste time. Everything is well prepped. So let's go, guys.